In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign contact to team on HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to route a contact to the right teammate, so follow-ups are timely, reporting stays accurate, and your pipeline remains organized. First, sign into your HubSpot account. You'll need access to the CRM to make ownership changes. If you can log in but don't see CRM features, that's usually a permissions issue, so check with your administrator. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and open CRM, then select Contacts. This brings you to your full list of contacts. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the contact you want to modify. You can search by name, company, or email. When you see the correct record in the list, click it to open the contact's profile. Inside the contact record, look for the property labeled Contact Owner. You'll typically find this in the Properties panel on the contact page, often near the top. It's a drop-down that shows who currently owns the contact, if anyone. This property is what directs responsibility to a specific team member, and it also affects things like notifications, views, and any workflows that reference the owner. Click the Contact Owner dropdown. You can scroll through the list of available users, or type to search for the teammate you want to assign. Only users who are part of your HubSpot account and have the appropriate access will appear here. Select the correct person from the list. HubSpot generally saves this change automatically. You may notice the field update immediately. If your setup requires an explicit save, go ahead and confirm the change. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. If you don't see the person you're trying to assign, they may not have an active seat or they might not be a user in your HubSpot account yet. In that case, your admin will need to add or enable them. If the contact owner field looks locked or uneditable, that indicates a permissions restriction or a workflow controlling the property. Check with your admin before proceeding. After assigning, take a moment to verify the update on the contact record. You should see the new owner's name displayed in the contact owner field. From this point on, that teammate will appear as the owner in lists, filters, and reports, and they may receive notifications depending on their personal settings. That's it. Log in, go to CRM and Contacts, open the contact, find the Contact Owner dropdown, and select the teammate you want. This simple update keeps your CRM clean and ensures every contact has a clear point of ownership.